All right, folks, happy Monday morning. We're back from the weekend. We're ready to get after it. We've got a busy week on tap, so let's get going. What do we have this week? Well, we have the Federal Reserve meeting taking place on Wednesday. We've talked about this for a couple weeks now, and the rumblings have been, and at least the market is pricing in that quarter percentage point rate hike. So 25 basis point hike is the expectation for this Wednesday. Anything outside of that can certainly add some chaos to an already chaotic market because Russia, Ukraine, those tensions continue to escalate. And it has these markets moving in some wild directions across the board. Now, when you look at the markets heading into today's session, we have the S&P and the Nasdaq all trading higher to the tune of about 0.5%. The Nasdaq, those technology stocks, are flatlining. Jump over to oil, which has been the big mover over the past week and a half. Oil down another 5% this morning, now trading at $104 a barrel in WTI. FX, dollar against the euro, dollar against the pound, we're trading higher and have been trading higher over the past couple weeks. We've since come off those highs. We're seeing that euro and pound start to strengthen this morning. However, that dollar yen, dollar continues to press higher, now north of 117. So it's going to be another big week. We've got a couple big data points. Again, we've got that FOMC meeting taking place on Wednesday. That's the biggie for the week. And then obviously everything that's going on with Ukraine, Russia, you throw that on top. Anything coming out of there. And again, they are still in the midst of these ceasefire talks. So we'll see what shakes out. But anything outside of a 25 basis point move on Wednesday, and then anything of interest coming out of Ukraine, Russia is going to shake the markets up. We could have another volatile ones on our hands. Let's be ready. Let's trade some price action. Everybody have a great Monday. I'll see you again tomorrow morning.